What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I wanted to do some edits to my hotkeys. So I kind of just wanted to do that on video, just to kind of show everybody. You just go to edit. You might have to have, you shouldn't need, let me just, this might take a little bit, but I want to kind of start from the very beginning, because you could probably do it without having a project open. Yeah, so I could just click here, I think, and go to keyboard shortcuts. And the primary ones that I want to do is, let's see, I think it's add edit. Yeah, Control K, which is also like what you do to split. And then what I want to also do is unlink. Link. Link. Let's see. Clip. Modify. Let's go ahead and click OK here. I don't know. I don't remember what the hotkey is for that. It's Control. We're going to have to go into a video to do that. Just go ahead and open, oops. Yeah, right here, we'll just go into nothing, delete me. Oh, see, the project is here. Oh yeah, quick edit. We want to be on quick edit. And then I want to do this one down here. We'll just bring that in real quick, bring that over here, and then right click and unlink right here. It's called unlink. So what if I go to clip? Control L is unlink. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into keyboard shortcuts and modifiers, none. Unlink. There it is. Now, what the heck? And we're going to put that on this. So what I'm doing is on this numpads, I use a Razer Naga. Let me just show you right quick. It has a bunch of buttons on the side. And the whole idea here is what I want to do is I just basically, see, I just want to speed that up, because in the videos I'm telling you typically what the hotkeys are, and now this is just something that I can do to be faster at it. And we can just do that, and it just automatically splits it, which is Control K. And these are just all things that I want to do faster. There's a couple other ones that I would like to add to this keyboard shortcut. I think it's move. Is it move? I don't know if it's move. Yeah, what is it like? Keyframe maybe? Let's just do this real quick. See, like hitting up, does that work? Hitting up, hitting right. Oh, hitting left and right moves you a second, I think. So what happens if I hold shift right? It moves 5. Control shift. So what we want to do is edit keyboard shortcuts. Step forward. That's what it's called. Step forward 1 frame, which we're going to put on 2. And we're going to do step back 1 frame on 5. Okay, and what this is going to allow us to do is I'm going to be able to just hit the button like that. Or I'm going to hold shift and, oh, does that not work? Oh, it doesn't like the... Oh, because shift num 2. Interesting. There we go. And then that's num 5. We also want to add shift 5. Okay, so let's go ahead. Shift 5. Yes, see, now it's moving by 5s. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so that's those hotkeys set up. All right, so I forgot that I wanted to mention this, but John Jagsney is the guy that I got the idea from for my Naga hotkeys, and I recommend that you go watch his video about setting up the mouse for Adobe Premiere hotkeys and such. He also has a download here, so you can just automatically import the file into your Razer Naga if that's something that you would like to do. But yeah, go check out John Jagsney. He's got some good edits in there too. So check out his channel. I think that's good for now. I'll talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.